Alright, let's get this right. Ah, you do have
performance, integrity, teamwork, respect, and communication.
Oh yeah, communication. Oh yeah, communication.
Must be the values of a country whose name I'm not afraid to mention.
No, I'm not afraid to mention. No, I'm not afraid to mention.
Committed to improving lives of people, that must be the vision.
Yeah, that must be the vision. Yeah, that must be the
My
vision.
understanding is 1962 dates back to whence commenced the mission.
Oh, whence commenced the mission? Start out your life, Jamaica.
Financial choice number one.
Start out your life, Jamaica.
Second, that anyone.
Start out your life, Jamaica.
The job isn't done.
Start out your life, Jamaica.
Oh, what a beautiful transformation.
Hey.
What a beautiful,
Wonderful,
beautiful,
wonderful,
beautiful transformation. What a beautiful,
wonderful,
beautiful,
wonderful.
beautiful transformation. We are the light of Jamaica.
Out of many one heart.
After 50 years, the bulb got brighter.
Let us all play our part.
3 counties, 14 parishes, spans our operation.
Isn't that smart?
Providing the assurance and peace of mind, especially during the most challenging times. Our culture is on every scene. Everybody wanna taste of the Jamaican dream.
Start out your life, Jamaica.
Financial choice number one.
Financial choice. Start out your life, Jamaica.
Second, not anyone.
Start out your life, Jamaica.
No, no, no. The job isn't done.
Start out your life, Jamaica.
Oh, what a beautiful transformation. What a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful transformation. What a beautiful, beautiful transformation.
Just like a picture freezes time. 1,000 words fail to define. Oh, what a culture. Lending thine. Oh, and it's family time. And when all else rearrange, our love will never change. And when all else rearrange, our love will never change.
Jamaica, it is such a beautiful morning. It's Fame 95's Fiona Fennell, and I just got this CD from Nomads and thought I should share it with you. Take a listen.